What's going on everyone, Mark Fernandez here with another video, and today we're going to be installing some weather shields, not on this car, on this. So guys, we're going to get started unboxing the weather shields, and then we're going to install them, and I'll show you some of the things that we need. So one of the things we're going to need is a heat gun, our trusty old methylated spirits, and a cloth to wipe off all the grease with. And of course, we are going to need the weather shields. So guys, the plan is to heat up the weather shields, to take the methylated spirits and wipe the area that the weather shields are going to go on, so we get a good nice stick, and we are also going to be mocking up the weather shields and then putting them on. So that just about finishes off the install of the weather shields. Let's go around and have a look, because there's a couple of things I just wanted to show you guys. One of the things that I noticed was that the tape that runs along the outside, it was okay, like it was fine, but I found that the back windows the visors were a little bit short, so while it just reaches here on this side, it doesn't quite reach all the way over here. So I kind of made a bit of a decision to say, well, I'm going to try and make sure that this side here is on as firmly as possible, and this side is just going to have to take maybe half of the tape that it would have normally. So just something that I noticed, that those back window visors maybe could have been a little bit longer, but we'll see how they hold up. They seem pretty strong and firm now, so we'll see how they go. The front window visors were fine, didn't have any issues with them at all. Just one little tip that I'll give you guys is, you probably saw me trying to do a couple of different things when I was installing them. I would probably recommend you try to use some masking tape if you can to mock it up, or if you have two people to hold it in place, that would be good as well. But by the time I got to the second or third one that I did, I felt pretty comfortable with knowing where the tape was on the window visor, and also getting my line in the correct position right. So there's just a couple of things that you kind of pick it up as you go a little bit, and I found that just by sticking it on just a little bit on the sides, I still was able to take it off and reposition it. So you can't really go wrong when you're installing them. So guys, now we got the weather shields installed. I guess it's kind of good to cover why I did this. So main thing is weather, of course. So in Cairns we have very, very hot summers. So a little bit of extra tinted protection we can get is excellent. Another thing is that we can keep the windows down a little bit even when it's raining. And these weather shields aren't really slim, they're actually quite big. So should be able to protect us quite a lot from the rain. Another thing is that it breaks the wind quite well. So it means that I can have the windows rolled down a little bit while we're driving at highway speeds, so that we can get some extra fresh air in and it's not blowing the doors off the car with all the wind resistance we're getting inside the car. The last thing, guys, is that it looks awesome. It looks so tough with the weather shields. So I'm going to leave you guys a little bit of a video of that, and I will see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe, but also till the next video we'll be installing the road safe tow points, which are going to be very necessary for our adventures. So I'll see you guys in the next one.